Pretty birthday cake. Get in your seat. That's bright. Can we carry it over to her, Daddy?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you.
It's hard to blow out. Yay!
Yay!
Way to go! You like your birthday cake? Shall we eat it?
Let's lick it first.
Lick it.
It gives you time to think of people and about life.
Don't make a mess.
What would happen?
All right.